How to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and further, make sure you are signed in and now. Tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and further, tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on the settings option. Now, go ahead and tap on the see more in account center option and further under the account settings tab, you will see the password and security option. Tap on that and now under the security checks tab, you will see the where you are logged in option. Tap on that and find the device with Messenger logged in. Further, tap on it and then tap on the selected devices to log out option, and with this you will be logged out. So, this is how you can log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.